Hello there, welcome again to our series of topics. We have been discussing topics under data quality assessment, and the previous video we have seen we have started system assessment. Specifically, we have seen MND structures, function and the capabilities, and the reporting requirements. And here is the result we have got in that part. So we'll continue from that. And today's topic will see data collection and reporting forms and the tools. So again, we'll actually select from drop down menu here. So let's discuss the questions and then continue with that. So the first question is, are clear instructions have been provided by M&A unit on how to complete the data collection and reporting forms or tools, whether the reporting form has their instructions as well. So if that is existing, we can say yes completely, and we may write some comment here. We can add comment here. The next one is, did the M&A unit has provided standard reporting form or tools to be used by all reporting levels? If such things are actually available, you can say yes completely. Like for example, there is a standard format for all levels, or there are, or there is standard formats. So you can say like this: is there evidence on standard form tools or consistently used by service delivery or sites? Standard form tools are consistently used if this is actually used consistently across all the uh, levels. So we can say yes completely. Otherwise, if there are gaps, we can say yes partly, probably. We can write all levels and not using something like that. You can add are all source document and reporting form relevant for measuring, and indicators are available for auditing purpose, and DQA review including date printout in case of computerized system. So yes, we can say yes, or we can say not at all. So we can provide comment here. So let's continue for the next section, which is data management processes. So under data management processes, here also we have 4 questions. Feedback is systematically provided to all service points on the quality of reporting, on the accuracy, completeness and timeless. So basically this is whether that level, I mean the feedback is given on the reports. If such things are existing, yes, you can say, and we can write a sample comment here whether the feedback is given, and for example we can say like feedback is given on Q1 report, something like that. The next one is, if applicable, are there quality control in place for when data from paper-based forms are entered into computer, avoiding double entry or verification? Are there methods for detecting missing data or transcription errors? Transcription error is an error that we write, like for example, to write 53, if you write 35, that is a transcription error, so reversing the numbers. So in order to avoid such thing, is there something in place? If there is something in place, we can say yes completely, otherwise we can say partly. If the team is actually using like different methods, like for example they can use Excel, or they can use they can actually review one. If one organize the report, the other team member may actually review in peers review is there, so we can say yes completely, otherwise is partly. We can report as partly. If applicable, there is a written backup procedure. If there is a backup procedure, so we may say not applicable, or otherwise we can say not at all. So we'll provide comment again. Is there a written procedure to address a late and inaccurate? Let's this one say partly, and this one say not at all. So that means, is there a written procedure to address late or incomplete report, or inaccurate report, or missing report? So if the procedure is there in a written form, we can say yes completely. Otherwise, if there is no written procedures to address those issues, addressing like a late coming report or incomplete report, we can say yes at all. So let's review what we have done in the previous section, and in today's section we have seen a system assessment, where we have seen M&D structure, function, and capabilities, the reporting requirements, data collection and reporting forms and the tools, data management processes. So here is the result. So as you can see, daemon instruction function and capability and the reporting requirement, we have 3.5 values, data collection and reporting for 2.5, a data management process 2. The same is reflected here as well, showing the data management process has some gaps. If you just change like this, for example, if I say partially, this will be changed. So that is how we can manage system assessment. So that is very important. In system management, we have seen 4 elements: M&E structure, function and capabilities, reporting requirements, data collection and reporting forms or tools, data management processes. So those are the issues we have seen, and we have this report at the end. So that is it. Thank you very much, and bye bye. And the next section we'll see individual data quality standards, specifically validity, reliability, completeness, accuracy, timeliness, precision, integrity, and consistency. So that will be the topic for next time. Until then, bye bye, and thank you very much.